Hey everyone, welcome to Globe Guys. In this video we're in Vancouver and we're going to take a look at the Westin Grand.
Now at the Westin Grand in Vancouver, very central hotel. We've just checked in and we've been upgraded to a one-bedroom suite, so that's as a result of us being Starwood Gold members of their loyalty program. So first impressions are really good. So this is a lounge area, so a nice little settee and drawers and everything like that. Okay. Quite a nice view. You know, probably not sure how well it'll come out at night, but we'll show you that again in the daytime. But city of glass, Vancouver, definite city of glass. So we're in the bathroom now, so it's a nice size, nicely laid out. It's quite a modern bathroom, which is nice. For the vain people amongst us, nice big mirror lit up. So there you go. Bath shower combination, not my favourite combination. I prefer a separate shower, if I'm being honest. But so then moving back into the lounge, we'll show you the bedroom. So come this way. So nice bedroom, nice big flat screen TV, nice big bed. Whoa! So it's nice, it's quite comfortable. Again, good view. So you know, I can say Vancouver City of Glass, I can see why it gets its name. So, yeah, I think we're all good. Definitely enjoying the room so far.